Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator, Empowering and Transforming Coach, and your friend to take your questions today. Good morning. Hello, Umesh. We see each other again. I think, Umesh, you and me spend the whole day together, right? It's amazing. Hey, Sachin, how are you? Sachin has been missing. Hello, Sonali. Good morning again. Hello, Ritu. Hello. Hi, Janvi. Welcome. We all live together, right? It looks like we live the whole day together. Yeah, hi, good morning. Awesome. Hey, Shivangi. Good morning. It's awesome. Thank you. Given Mitrut, whoever joined in, hello. I don't have your name, would be happy to have your name. And today's exercise is, what excuse are you using not to choose happiness? Hello, Simi. Hello, Parata. See you again. So, what excuse are you using not to choose happiness, guys? How many excuses do you really have of not choosing happiness? So when would you actually choose happiness? What is your happiness actually dependent on? Have you ever questioned that? So, and at any given of time you are not happy, what is the excuse that you're giving yourself? Hello, Vijaya. Good morning. Sonali's on Instagram. Yes, finally Sonali's on Instagram. Hello, Payal. Good morning. Hello, Arpita. Good morning. Hello. So, what excuses are you giving yourself? So, that is a great question to play all the time with yourself. Hello, Nitesh. How are you? Hello, Sahasta. Good morning. Hello, Mona, darling. Good morning, sweetheart. So, so I mean, I was just actually sitting with myself and I was watching that why at any given point of time do we go into sadness? So, what is the excuse that you are giving at that point to yourself of not choosing happiness? Hey, Swati, good morning. Hello, Prakar, good morning. So, what excuses are you giving? Do you have any? Anybody wants to share their excuse of not choosing happiness? Is it because they don't have enough money, or is it because you don't have the right relationship, or you do not have the right sex, or you do not have enough of good? Your parents are not good, or your friends are not good, or you're not studied good. I'm running out of time is one excuse I constantly give myself. I have to reach to the next place, Shivangi. So what if you actually sit down and actually ask that question? Is that really true? So can I have your awareness to that? Is that really true that you are in a hurry? What will happen if you will actually not reach the other place in time? And wherever you're bound by time, and time is our creation, can you expand your time, Shivangi? Like, I love doing that. If I'm getting late, I just ask the time to expand, because everything is my creation. I'm the source of my creation, and I do expand time. Yes, you can. And how you can expand your time is just by asking it. Hey, time, can you please expand? What will it take for me to reach there in time? So either the flights used to get delayed, either something will show up, but it's always been that I'm on time, in time, and on time both. I'm so happy that I'm going to be speaking to you next 10 days on the 10 keys. While you're joining us, oh, lovely, thank you. How lovely is that? Yes, I'm looking forward to those 10 keys. So, guys, we are coming with this 10 keys to total freedom. These are the 10 keys. Each day, I'm like an hour on it, and it's just 1,000 rupees per call. So, it's a 10 tools that if you have in your life to go through anything at times, these 10 tools, you can use any of those tools and everything in your life can shift. And these are the 10 magical tools I'm going to be talking about in next 10 days. So if anybody of you wishes to join us, please join us. It'll be fun to be together. Swati says good morning. Oh, Arpita says I'm lazy. So what if it's not lazy? In fact, I was listening about this in the morning, Arpita, that lazy, what if it's not lazy? Were we actually born to really do anything? We are here just to actually choose and do. So what if lazy is not a wrong choice? And if you allow yourself to be lazy, that's only when you can change it. If you will not allow yourself and you'll keep judging and hitting yourself to be lazy, and even irrespective if you're lazy, it's not that you cannot be happy. What if you can be happy with your laziness? Good morning, Simran. Okay. Or you don't choose, yeah. So we don't generally want to choose it because then we'll be too happy. Payal is saying, I'm so lucky. Payal, I'm so lucky to have you on it. Thank you. What are the timings? Good question, Vijay. Ritu or anybody from the team, Shivangi, what are the timings for the call for the 10 keys? Please, can you put it here? Hey, Vasudha, good morning. It's 6 to 7 p.m. Ria, hello, welcome. Awesome. So, yes, so what every time now you go into the sadness, one, remember my face. Second, it's like, what excuse are you giving? So, at any given point of time in my life, I can only share about myself, I've always chosen to be happy. I really choose, I make a point that tell myself, I actually stand by myself and I'm like, I am happy, I'm born happy, this is my inherent nature. Right now, in this 10 seconds, I'm choosing to be, experiencing sadness, I'm experiencing anger, I'm experiencing, because these are also the aspects of the life that you have here to, kind of enjoy, to get angry, to get upset, to get screaming, why not? Why would you not like to have all that? But that does not mean if you're lazy or upset, you're cranky, you're not happy. So I've been really uncomfortable with my body from last 2 days, but I'm still happy. That doesn't take my happiness away. I can be, here and there. My body might be like, want to rest, can be lazy, can be slow, but that's okay. It doesn't mean that I'm not happy. So it's so amazing. Wherever you put your energy, you create that. So what are you putting your energy into? Are you actually truly choosing to be happy? And every time I've been in a funk and I've been still choosing my happiness, that funk part just goes away because that is here to distract you. So what are you not choosing? And do you truly want to be happy? So Shivangi says, I observe how I have created time as a lock for myself. Awesome. There you go. So expanding time, I would like 48 hours in a day. You can have it if you really truly desire it. So time is our foundation that we give it to ourselves, but time is not real. It's true. Everything is in now, right here. And you actually, Shivangi, seriously play with it, and it's actually just ask time to expand. I remember so many workshops of mine and classes, sometimes we are just discussing, and I look at the manual and I haven't been able to finish the manual. And then I'm like, God, how would I do this manual today? Because it's like almost spent the whole day in talking, because as you know how much I talk. So, and then I'm like, okay, what else is possible? It's okay that I don't do the manual and I'll like go randomly. And it's so funny, I've always finished the manual much before the time. And how? Just by asking the time to expand. And I will take the most of the breaks that day, and still the time won't move. And I kept looking at the watch every time. I'm like, it's not moving, what's going on today? And then I remember that I asked the time to expand itself. So yes, you can make it 48 hours. And now being in Jaipur, probably your 48 hours might seem like 72 hours, Shivangi. I don't think time really moves fast there. So what else is possible? So guys, keep looking into it. It's not that you're not happy. It's just that you're not choosing to be happy. So stop giving yourself excuses of not to be happy. You have one life, few moments, and what if you can make each moment the most precious moment? Even if you look back, and even if you have to say goodbye to life, you're happy to say goodbye. That's my motto. Even if I turn back for a minute, I just don't have to have any regrets. I have to be so amazed that I didn't miss any part of my life. I didn't miss any moment of my life of not choosing happiness. I'm here, I'm choosing happiness all the time. That's like an autopilot, and I also remind myself each day, I choose to be happy. I choose to be happy. And irrespective of any condition, anybody dying, anybody sick, anybody killing themselves, I'm happy. That's their choice. This is my choice. So what choice would you guys like to make today? So play with it and see what it shows up. And as said earlier, my 10 days of the sad call, I know, like Simran said, that it doesn't really work. And I also know that stress, anxiety and depression really doesn't go hand in hand with me. But I'm still there taking this call of letting people ask that question so that they can choose happiness and not stress, anxiety and depression as a choice and change it. So that is a free call in the evening from 8 to 8:15, Facebook Live Be the Change page. Whosoever is joining here for the first time, please join us there, and I'll be happy to take your questions. If you know anybody is going through any of this, please get their questions. I'm happy to answer you. Hello Pratishtha, welcome. Let's call it thus call. Okay, so Shivangi is asking my 10 keys call to call as thus call. So thus call. So I will thus so also, and I will thus also, and what else is possible there? Cool. Any other questions that's showing up for you guys for today? Any other excuse which you think is such an excuse that you really can't take it alone and you will not be able to overcome? I'm happy to contribute there. So join into WhatsApp group of 10 keys of freedom. That's what Ritu is saying, that if anybody wants more information around those 10 calls, please join us on the WhatsApp group. She has more information there. Kavita, hello. Welcome. So today's was, guys who have just joined in, what excuses are you giving to not choose happiness? So what are your excuses that you're not choosing? And it's so funny when people tell their stories, their excuse is the most unreasonable excuse, and they think, oh, nobody has such reasons for me. I am really going through a bad time. I'm really going through the shit part of it that nobody can know. You do not know my condition. You do not know what I'm going through. Everybody has that story. So what if you stop telling yourself stories and start choosing to be happy? Any other questions? So choose happiness, choose you. Why would you choose anything else other than you? You do not love yourself. If you do not love yourself, nobody will love you at all, ever. That's my promise to you. I'm just not saying, but it's so true. If you do not love you, if you do not acknowledge you, if you're not the most important entity of your life, nobody ever could make you want to. I see negative energies around me. So negative is a judgment, Simi. Negative, I think I love negative part. I love Ravan. So it's like, negative actually makes you look into yourself, and then you have a possibility of changing it. But the moment the positive is, you hold it tight and you keep it to yourself and you make it as your body part, and then you want to be as good as that ever. Like if I meet you, Simi, for the first time and you treat me very well, so next time I'm gonna come to Simi's house and it's like, Simi, thank you, and I would be expecting at least the same kind of a approach to me what you did give me for the first time. And if you don't, then you will be kind of really falling in my eyes and you're like, shit, now she's not treating me well. That was just to show off. And so to maintain that status, you'll have to really maintain that energy, Simi. But the negative is like, it's so funny, like when I was doing up my house and I didn't have furniture, I didn't have people, and people were excited. They're like, we have to just visit your house. And I'm like, yeah, come in, because right now I don't have excuse of no furniture. And I'm like, yeah, this is my house, you can see it, because furniture hasn't yet come in. Because if the furniture will come, then it has to be like perfect, right? It has to look the most beautiful. So then the expectations go up. So then if you see the negative, and if you see the empty house, unruly house, and then you come next time, probably you might like it. So negative is just an interesting point of view. For me, I love negative, and I'm very grateful for creating negative in my world, because that actually pushes me to actually choose greater every day. So what are you unwilling to receive from the negative energies? Negative energies are the most nurturing energies, and because they have been put under the criteria of negative, we don't even go and look towards them. So what if you start watching all your negatives today, and are you willing to be bad? Are you willing to be ugly? Are you willing to be the slut? Are you willing to be that ugly, negative girl you truly be, Simi? If you choose it, probably your world will be more simpler. I was very happy the first day I really chose to be a bad mother, bad wife, bad girlfriend, bad sister, bad daughter. My world is so much better. I'm a bad girl, and I love bad girls more. I like bad. Sorry guys. So I love bad. So how about you start loving bad? And if you receive with no point of view, wonder what will that change in your worlds, guys? Nothing is negative, and for negative you always have to hold positive, and for positive you always have to be holding negative. You cannot separate a head and tail from the coin. It comes hand in hand. So stop resisting. These are the resistances, these are the fights that you're holding within your body. So if you give up these fights, wonder what will that change in your world. Awesome. That was great. Thanks for asking. Anything else, guys? I can go on and on and on. So I would rather say bye unless you guys have a question. I just don't want to like take your time, and I'm so grateful to each one of you being here every morning, and I love to be here, and so grateful that you guys show up every morning. Love you all. Please share with as many as more people you can, so that anybody who these videos can contribute, I'll be happy. Thank you guys. Have a rocking, awesome, fun-filled, make your Monday blues into joyful Mondays, and be happy. Choose to be happy at every given point of time, and see what fun can you have in the day. And see you in the evening, whosoever are joining me on the 10 Keys call today, or on the Facebook Live, or any other. The 10 Keys start today in the evening. So see you, Payal, in the evening. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.